Once you have your access token, navigate to the Body tab to see the table form of the JSON that is used to send an API request. You can see the document's endpoint here from the Core Signature Service API documentation. Let's use the file method to create a document. In this example, the file we're using is the signature request demo document that is embedded into our API docs and available for you to download. Next, go to File and specify File because that is the type we're using here. Next, select Send to send a signature request. You will see a successful response, and under Status, you will see a 201 created. You will also now see the document URL and document ID has been created. Now that the document has been created, you are ready to create a signature request.